The research and development phase is locked, the barrier properties are fully optimized, and the final packaging design sits ready for market deployment. Manufacturing lines are already spinning up, purchase orders are signed, and the entire commercial logistics chain is locking into place to meet aggressive customer deadlines. Until all that forward velocity slams into a single, overlooked regulatory hurdle. Someone on the compliance team raises the one question that can instantly freeze a launch pipeline. Do we actually need an FDA food contact notification for this specific application?
OnlyTRAININGS. Learn what works in the industry.
Teams scramble backward through supplier declarations and old blueprints, desperately searching for proof that an existing clearance still covers the final product. The realization sets in that a seemingly harmless assumption regarding intended use has just cast a massive shadow over months of expensive development. And the trap rarely lies in blatant negligence, but in the quiet assumption that an old regulatory approval provides a permanent safety net. Companies rely heavily on historical authorizations, without realizing those clearances are bound by strict, invisible limitations that shatter the moment operational conditions change. It might start with a minor formulation tweak to improve line speed, or the introduction of a new processing aid into a well-established packaging structure. Or it happens during routine procurement, swapping out a raw material for a more cost-effective alternative because the supplier promises identical chemistry. Even an adjustment to the temperature profile during filling or downstream processing can quietly push the entire application completely out of its legal boundaries. By the time these quiet deviations are noticed, the early testing phases are long over. The compliance risk compounds entirely out of sight, while development budgets are drained and the physical inventory continues to pile up, leaving you to face an explosive commercialization killing realization right at the finish line, forcing a devastating and expensive restart. Avoiding this trap requires moving the compliance lens much earlier in the timeline, evaluating the risks before they have a chance to multiply. There is a structured method for evaluating these exact scenarios, a practical framework designed to dissect complex multi-layer structures, migration potential, and polymer processing assumptions step by step. This logic isn't drawn from academic theory, but from the hard-won experience of active industry professionals who have navigated the exact same scale-up failures and regulatory pressures. The next routine supplier tweak, or a seamless, fully cleared product launch. Enroll in the FDA FCN. When do you actually need one?